Yeah. Okay, hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. The guy who's shaking the trolley in which I've kept the camera are my wonderful, beautiful, heavenly friends. Okay, and they're trying to, distract, divert, put in all the kind of efforts to ruin this video. So, if this video does not turn out to be the way it should be, then I will mention their names in the credit. Please blame them. Thank you so much. So, I am here right now at City Center, Murdif, Dubai. So, the people who do not know about this location called as Murdif, let me tell you that this is in Dubai. Okay, and City Center is a pretty huge and a beautiful mall. All right. So if you're looking for something budgeted, then do not come here. If you want to just come in here to hang out, etc., then you can definitely do that. All right. Just a moment. But if you're looking for something budgeted, do not come here. Something above the budget range, then you can visit here. All right. It's a beautiful place. Hang out, business meets, etc. You can do. The decor is nice, the lighting is nice, and yes, Sharaf DG is an electronics store which is located here. And personally, I have purchased an electronic item from there, a mobile phone. The Sharaf DG has a lot of good offers, by the way. Then this mall also has Max, a Max brand over here. Then H&M is there. Then a lot of other famous brands are also available over here. Only thing is that when you're entering here, for example, if you are coming by your own vehicle and if you park your vehicle, so make sure that while entering, you make sure that you are making a note of it. The one who's bothering me is a friend of mine. The supermarket which we went to is what is the name of it? I forgot it.
You tell me, you know.
So, for example, when we came through the southeast entrance, all right, and I made a note of it. I take a picture, okay, and to make a note of it. But it helped because while going back, I told my friend that we came from the southeast entrance. Otherwise, and you're just completely lost in understanding. See, Skechers is also here. Then Forest Essentials is here, which is also in India. All right. Then Ajmal perfumes are here. Ajmal perfume and Attar fragrance, which is one of the best in the Attar segment, is here. Then Aldo is here. Huh? Okay. And yeah. Which supermarket we went to? Okay, we went to a big supermarket. All right, and it had grocery, it had chocolates.
What is the name of
Then then it had electronics items. There were a lot of things available out there.
What is the name of the supermarket?
Yes, they are bothering me with the name, but I apologize. I don't remember right now the name of that supermarket.
Do you remember your name?
But I will definitely remember it very soon. Alright, so take care. Bye. I don't have anything else to talk to right now.